Hi guys, we have just arrived at Ikea. We need to get some wardrobes sorted out. At the moment, because we've just moved house, we're still living in boxes, which is very unideal, especially with my husband going to work and my son going to nursery. I'm mainly still at home because I'm on maternity leave, so it's not too much of a struggle sort myself out in terms of clothes, but for everyone else who goes out of the house on a day-to-day basis, it's probably best we get that sorted. As you can hear, my baby is tired. Life with kids, guys, is just hectic. But yeah, we're just gonna go in, see if we can get something sorted. If we can, that'll be great because I am already tired. We've just come from holiday and we've just really not had time to rest. I'll show you around in Ikea if I see any nice bits and bobs. But yeah, I'll try and remain focused, or should I say we will try and remain focused on the reason why we've actually just come to Ikea. So yeah guys, stay tuned. And yeah, it's a Saturday today, so of course it's very busy. We're trying to find a parking slot, so this is actually just quite hectic. I think we've just seen someone coming out, so we're going to try and quickly get in there before someone steals the spot. Okay. That would be so rude if that guy was to have taken this parking spot. Okay, so we found somewhere to park. And we're just gonna quickly park and come out because Madam has had enough. My husband's just set up the pram, and then I'm just gonna get. Okay. The boys are in front and we're following right behind. Coming to Ikea on a Saturday. I'm not sure this is a good decision, but hey. How comfy is this chair? This is so cute. Let me try. Can you hold it? But do you think this will go without having so balls? I don't like the back.
Okay, let's go.
But that desk is quite nice.
Move, please.
This is how cozy I'm trying to have my house look. Obviously, this is now very messy because a lot of people have already come. But this setup is quite cute. I love how Ikea gives you visuals to work with. You can start to like picture it in like your own room. Love it. Well, not this exact design, but I just think this looks nice. How much is this one?
So, this desk,
Yeah.
140. So, this desk on its own.
Yeah.
This way.
Yeah.
Please. This desk on its own
Yeah.
is 142 centimeters.
Okay. Is this whole desk £99?
99 plus 59.
That's not bad actually. If we can have the desk in white, that would be nice. Or like a different color.
It depends on this color is so nice.
But our walls are white, so to have dark furniture. But anyway, it's fine. If we get the code, then we can always try and see how we can make it work. Yeah. This is nice. The way they set up. Yeah, no, this is very nice. Okay. Okay. This is so cute. Look at the rug. Love it. Come, Isaac, let's go. I've always wanted one of these. Okay, so we both liked this one. So we're thinking to get 2 of these. This is the price and this is the name. So this is what it looks like on the inside. There's space for some drawers. And this is also a mesh insert, which you can put whatever you want, whether ties, shoes, whatever. But it looks like it's got plenty of storage. This is just one side. And then this is what the other side looks like. Again, you can probably do whatever you want with the space. Yeah. I like the paneling on this. It brings out the mirror and the dressing table. I wouldn't have this color. I'd probably go for like a beige or a cream. This is nice. Simple and cute. All right, let's go back to the desks. We're now gonna try and look for desks to see if we can find something that complements the wardrobe we're thinking of getting. This is another option. I think we kind of like that it just goes with the desk, because I will definitely need the desk for working from home. But this is decently cute. What do we think, guys? We brought our own tape measure to make sure that whatever we get or are thinking of getting will be the correct size.
If you were to get this, you will need that alone is 120.
120.
It's saying 60 centimeters.
Mommy, I got some collection.
So if this 100 and that's 100 and that's 60.
How can you have